Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your CIBC Costco Mastercard. So first of all, you need to come here on CIBC.com. Over here, simply click on the option of sign on. Then you need to simply sign in into your account. Now, when you sign in into your account, you can either search for activate your credit card option in your web browser by opening a new tab, or you can directly come here on this particular page that says activate your card online. So when you sign on, a section is going to be opened in front of you in which you need to enter your CIBC Costco Mastercard number, its expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back of the card. Then simply review the information that you have entered and select the option of activate card in order to complete the verification. Now, once the application or the activation is successful, your new CIBC Costco Mastercard is going to be ready to use. If you haven't registered for CIBC online banking yet, you can also register using the new credit card and then you can complete the activation process. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.